good evening, good morning, good night. Guess what? We got motor mounts for the RSX. Yeah, I'm right to the point. I'm getting right into it. You know what I mean? Ain't no cool intro. We getting right to the point, baby. Shout out to the homies over at Innovative Mounts for, reaching out to your boys like, hey, we saw the RSX. The mounts look class. Let us help. Say less. So that, that's what they hit me. So for my Halloween costume, I'm dressed as an employee because, well, spooky. What we got in our package from Innovative, of course, is some mounts. But we got these bad girls black anodized, because these are fire. Look at that black anodized. Oh, God. Look at the ice. Quavo. Ice. Yeah. Whew. Ice, baby. And we got all the hardware needed to install our mounts. Alright, so first mount we're going to do is the transmission mount. Did this before in one of my previous videos, but if you're new here and you're looking into replacing your mounts, 17mm bolts here, well, nuts, one there. I wish I had one over there, but it's missing. 17 at the bottom, you guys probably can't see it, and there's another 17. So there's 3 17s that hold the mount to the chassis, and then you got the 3 17s that hold the bracket to the gearbox. So, yeah. Hey, that mount look clap, my boy. That mount look clap, my boy. You need some fresh new mounts, cause that mount look clap. Ooh, that mount is Next up, we have the passenger side motor mount. Pretty simple, 14mm bolts, one there. 2 17s right there. This might be a pain, but I don't think I have what's it called? A socket that deep? But I don't know. Now, my main concern is this ground. Where am I gonna ground that thing to? I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, 14mm. It should be simple. The only mount that's gonna be a pain in the ass, I believe, is gonna be the rear mount. I feel like that's gonna be a pain in the ass, my guy. Oh well, gotta get it done though. I'm gonna be quite honest with you guys right now. When it comes to motor mounts on an RSX, maybe even 8th gen, 9th gen, they can suck the fartest fart, the wettest fart, out of my ass. All that power steering fluid just happened. Then I'm gonna have to pressure wash because this bolt does not want to come off. I don't have a long enough socket to get it off. I can't go buy one because car's in the garage. Honestly, screw motor mounts. And yeah, I'm just gonna put everything back together and do this another day. Because right now, I'm not having the jolliest of mood. And I don't like working on cars when I'm upset. Cause then it goes wrong. Like my fender just now. I tried every, bro. I kind of see why people do drugs or become alcoholics. I see it. I see it now. I see it. A couple days later, went ahead and just got the passenger side mount on. Had to bend my power steering line, so so I can get a socket over this and loosen out this nut. It's all taken care of. Randy's over underneath the car doing the rear mount because I'm obviously useless. So shout out to Randy Built. And yeah, bro, underneath my RSX is my boot ripped, and you guys can probably see.
Look, it just ripped too.
It's everywhere. It's everywhere. It's dirty. So, yeah, man. One of them IG model type, you know what I mean?
But look good on the outside.
Look good on the inside, clapped.
I bet plastic.
Plastic and clapped. Fluids everywhere. The bitch got syphilis. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. You know the vibes. I hate mounts on RSX, bro. I hate it. I got a baby leak. Sounds pretty damn good now. Nah, just wait till the car's on the ground. It's in the air. Yeah. One mount yesterday had it vibrating like crazy. Alrighty, got the mounts done. Gonna go head over to Randy's house. If you ever come to Percy's Palace, you will never have to go thirsty. You know what I mean? Hey, bro, look. Your boy stacked. What? Bro, bet y'all didn't know they had these. Yeah. Passion fruit mango. Gang. If you ever come to Percy's Palace, I'll take care of you. First official drive with the mounts, and the car is solid. Car feels great. I think these bushings are 72As, which are like, you know, street level, I believe, like street mounts, like dailyable street mounts. Not too many crazy ass vibrations like the 90 series or like anything above like what, 85. This is pretty good though. Like this car feels fine. It feels good. It feels secure. It just feels good. Makes me feel like I'm in a race car, bro. I feel like I'm driving the race car now. Oh god, this guy is driving a race car, Mike. To install on this car would be the RBC Galifold. But yo, these mounts from hey look, these mounts, car feels good, car feels amazing. Shout out to Innovative Mounts. I know you guys will probably never work with me again because how crappy this video is, but I appreciate you guys. Thank you for reaching out, and yeah man, glad to have you guys a part of the build, man. I really appreciate it. It is official, and it is even more official. Nah, I mean, gang out here, bro. That looks so good, bro. That looks good. What doesn't look good is these this wheel. Nah, I mean, I need some tires and some wheels, playboy. This not it, brother. This is not it.
Driving on the road like I'm the only one. Shooting to the green, I talk a hole in one. Bible on the dash, they with the holy one. I know I put in work, they.
Alright, so we're back at the crib. We're gonna work on our Integra a little bit. Well, actually not work on it. We're gonna take it apart. Well, not really take it apart, but our dash setup, our WireWare custom dash is sold. I had sold the dash over the weekend, and yeah, man, she's out of here, bro. We're upgrading to the AIM MXG Strata 1.2. Even though I haven't bought it yet, I'm already claiming it. So yeah, we're gonna upgrade to the MXG Strata 1.2, and yeah, we have more data, more stuff to like really get in tune with the car more, you know what I mean? Don't get me wrong now, this dash is the truth. This dash done its job for me, bro. Like, I really want to take my driving more serious, and I want, you know, different sense. I want to be able to monitor everything, and the AIM will do that for me. So that's the reason why I'm upgrading. Nothing is wrong with the dash. It's perfect. It does whatever I want it to do. I just need more data. Still, if you want a WireWare dash, contact him. Tell him Zosh sent you. You know what I mean? Shout out to the man.
French sway, I mix the fist sick, quick laws, take a risk. We play for the win. Chips all on the board, no I'm invested. Italian blazer, come double-breasted. Loafers in Florence, we paid for it. Through every battle I was tested, now I'm vetted, talking top floors. Luck sweet, see dreams are not yours, got mine. Going global, it's like a world tour, kids straight.
Simple setup, bro.
This what we work for.
Simple and clean.
Love flowing, we don't need Cupid's
This is the current setup until I can get another cluster. I'm probably gonna have to wait till Black Friday when the deals go on because I'm poor. Financially, it wouldn't be responsible for me to drop $1,400 on a dash when I can probably buy for under $1,000 in 3 weeks. So that's what we're gonna do. Save your money, kids. You know what I mean? Patience. Patience is a virtue. What I'm gonna end up doing is probably buying a stock LS cluster for like 20, 30 bucks from the junkyard, slap that John in there, and yeah. While out on the stock cluster, bro, see them needles dance. Also, the Integra is broken. Shift selector thing, it's clapped. So I'm gonna rebuild it myself. This screw right here on the shift selector, it's not gonna focus, but this is clapped. And inner hole of the shift selector, clapped, 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 clapped. But me, I'm tight as fuck. But we also got something in the mail today. Oh, y'all ready to see what it is? So this right here comes from the homie Walt. I had purchased his solo lap timer, data logger, whatever you want to call it, but it's a lap timer. Everything, baby. Now we're gonna know our times. Yes, now we have a lap timer to know our times, playboy. Oh. What's up, y'all? Before I end this video, I want to shed some light on a product that I received probably like 3 months ago. Yeah, I'm not doing really good right now, my brand and stuff. But hey, if you guys do not have a pressure washer, don't even trip. Matt TC is here to save the day. This right here is a foam cannon that attaches to your water. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it on washing my mom's car because you got bed bugs and whatever.
Bed bugs, really?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I guess. So we're gonna get our car all cleaned up and I'll show you how this works. Alright, just got done cleaning up Mom Duke's whip. She's all iced out now. Shout out to Matt CC for the car foam gun cannon little thingy thing. I had to bring out the pressure washer for this. And we still got that nice little shine to it, baby. That's it. That's you did it. I am so proud of you. Incredible, bro. Incredible. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, look, if you did not enjoy this video, then leave a dislike on the video because I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for Innovative Mounts for sponsoring this video with their mounts. The car drives amazing. It feels great. Thank you. Also, ZoshMFG.com for merch. Please support me so I can support other companies. Today is election day, so I might be in war tomorrow since, you know, it's wild out here in these Florida streets. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.